There's quite a number of cab drivers in the megacity who brazenly overcharge their passengers by way of a rigged fare meter or by a randomly made up amount in mind. Many of them ply the Ninoy Aquino International Airport, where they tag team with unscrupulous airport police who twist their arms to fleece and overcharge unsuspecting commuters. Arclazo Pardilla has more.
What was supposed to be money for Jessica's next meal? Gone. That's because when she hailed a taxi to transport her from Cubao to Visayas Avenue recently, not only did the driver refuse to use the meter, he charged her extra.
Eating, mga nag-aabuso.
The days of abusive and illegal taxis may be numbered. The Department of Transportation, or DOTR, is cracking down on rogue drivers, intensifying its campaign to protect commuters from abuse and overcharging. 30 public utility vehicles have been apprehended at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport, 11 of them for overcharging passengers. Others caught operating with expired or fraudulent franchises. Operators now face suspension of franchises, while drivers run risk of losing their licenses.
Napakaklaro po ng direksyon ng ating Pangulo na itong napakatagal ng pang-aabuso ng mga taxi sa airport, hindi lamang sa mga kababayan natin, kundi pati sa mga turista na nagbibigay ng napakalaking kahihiyan sa ating bansa, kailangan mahinto na.
Just recently, 5 airport police officers were relieved from duty after being linked to a protection scheme involving illegal taxis. Their alleged role, accepting bribes in exchange for turning a blind eye. The incident is still under official investigation. Meanwhile, the DOTR issued a warning to GV Florida to cease its harassment of a netizen who exposed reckless driving by their buses. In a dashcam video posted online, GV Florida buses were seen speeding along a national road. The operator reportedly threatened to file a cyber libel case against the uploader.
Kung ipupursue niya yung kaso against yung kababayan natin na nag-upload, talagang makakabangga niya ang buong DOTR at ang buong gobyerno dito.
Arclazo Pardilla for the New and Better Philippines.